In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Strikethrough in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. Strikethrough is a useful formatting tool that allows you to draw a horizontal line through your text. It can be helpful for editing, marking completed tasks and lists, or simply emphasizing changes in your documents. The best part is that you can apply it quickly using a keyboard shortcut, making your workflow faster and more efficient. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text you want to strike through. This can be a word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. Once your text is highlighted, you can use the shortcut to apply the strike-through formatting instantly. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl and the letter D at the same time. This will open a small font dialog box. In this box, you can select the strike-through option you want to use, such as a single line or double line strike-through. Once you've made your selection, click OK. You will see a line appear through the middle of your selected text, indicating that the strike-through has been applied. You can remove it just as easily by selecting the same text again and using the same shortcut. For Mac users, the process is slightly different. Highlight the text you want to strike through, then press Command-Shift-X. Just like on Windows, the strike-through line will appear instantly, and you can remove it using the same shortcut if needed. This makes it very convenient for quickly editing your documents without having to navigate through menus or formatting options. If you prefer, Word also offers the strike-through option through the toolbar. Simply select your text, go to the Home tab, and look in the Font group. There, you'll see the strike-through button, which looks like the letters A, B, C with a line through them. Clicking this button will apply the formatting as well, but using the shortcut key is much faster when you are working on large documents or want to maintain your typing flow. Strikethrough can be used in a variety of ways. For example, you can cross off completed items in a to-do list, indicate corrections in a document, or highlight text that has been edited or removed. This small formatting feature can make your documents clearer and more organized, especially when collaborating with others. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more useful Microsoft Word tips and tricks.